Hi, my name is Megan Waite. I've been called Megan my entire life, but it's Megan. I am in web backend development, CIT 336. Excuse me. Yes, 336. My major is web design and development with an emphasis on design. I was born in the Bay Area in California, but I currently live in Cache Valley, Utah. I'm taking this course because it is a required course. Long-term goals regarding web development include possibly working for myself. My husband and I run an online business together. We are Amazon sellers, and I've decided I will never go to work for somebody else again. I will only work for myself. So I may use the knowledge that I'm gaining to work for myself someday. Something unique about me? Well, my name is pretty unique. And the fact that I'm an online seller is pretty unique. And I'm also what you would call a non-traditional student, meaning that I've already raised my children and I have 3 grandchildren and 1 more on the way before the end of the year. I feel that my strengths include organization. I'm pretty good in HTML and CSS. I do struggle a little more with JavaScript and Java and some of those related languages, so I will be open to a lot of help in those areas. So if you like those and those are your jam, then I would love to work with you. My schedule's flexible, so I can fit in wherever and with whomever. Look forward to getting to know you and working with you.